Everywhere, doing everything, letting their forces get destroyed over and over. Their fervor that took root in the fear of being buried. Ludicrous to me, considering that killing a homeless squatter and a wizard studying Dwemer runes are essentially of the same importance.
Well, it's one way. When they first talked, stayed far, far away. Oh, we're seeing both sides. What happened here? Okay, fine.
Manual recording will now start.
I'll cut him some slack.
He ended up having to repeat a year of school because he refused to sing, which...
I know that's technically not against the law, but it still feels wrong doing it.
A lot more like a Terrace 2 at this stage. Actually, most of this place feels really unfinished with how empty these big ass halls seem to be. Well,
Manual recording.
Sick burn.
And the weight on the sidewalks with everything. I'd just be a bit more careful with the Peace Garden State
Wait, what are you doing?
It's awful close to New Jersey.
Turn those fuckers off.
Manual recording will now start.
Nice catch-22, idiots. License plate's pretty good. Good work.
Contrary to popular belief, that is not a pull-through. Let me guess. Someone ran the red.
Manual recording will now start.